Basically, factor tree, you just always work down. So two numbers that multiply to 1050, because it ends in a 0, I know that 10 goes into it. So I'm going to go 10 times 105 is 1050. If you're not sure what goes into 1050, just remember you can always just try dividing. 1050 divided by 2, 3, 4, whatever you need to until you find one that goes in without giving you a decimal solution. So 1050 divided by 10 is 105. And then you just keep on working down. So once I have 10 times 105 is 1050, I go to the next level. So 10 is 2 times 5. 105, well, because it ends in a 5, I know that 5 goes into it. So 105 divided by 5, and you can just use a calculator, is 21. So now, though, I know that 2 and 5 are primes. So these are all part of the prime factorization. So 1050 at this point I know is 2 times 5 times 5. But 21's not prime, so we need to factor it again. So I'm going to keep going with the 21. 21, I know 3 goes into 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So 3 times 7. 3 and 7 are both primes. So these are part of my prime factorization as well. And so I have 2 times 5 times 5 times 3 times 7. I'm going to rewrite this, and I'm going to put it in order. So there's 1, 2 in my prime factorization. So it's 2 times, the next smallest is 3. The next smallest is 5, but there's 2 of them. So I'm going to go 5 to the power of 2. And then there's 1, 7. So my prime factorization of 1050 is 2 times 3 times 5 times 7, or 2 times 3 times 5 squared times 7.